Right, morning everyone. So today the plan is, there is a few trees we're going to be moving. There's a stump that we want to take out. So what Dad wants to do is use the transport box bucket, and he wants to dig around the stump like so. He wants to go around the edges of it with it and then keep trying to push her out with a loader. I doubt it'll work because she's a big stump, but fingers crossed that it will. So we're just moving one up into the yard right now. We had to chain it round the transport box bucket. We need to find a new name for that, make it a bit easier. And now we're just going to load it up in the yard. So we've put this in back down there. Quite a big stump. Chained her up, wrapped it round the loader and around the back of the stump. Second gear, so jump in second. We just cut the loader there, I think. Like that. So the plan's hopefully to dig out some of the soil first, around the stump. I don't know where he's putting it, don't think he does either. Oh yeah, right there is it? Oh, you see the size of these roots. He's already drawn a few of the roots out there. So what he's doing is he's just moving the soil and the brambles and the rubbish and the wood, whatever's in there, just tipping it where he's cultivated. I don't know why. We do need to get back in there with the cultivator, get back in there with a plough again, and keep turning these brambles so we can get them out as much as we can. Just takes so much time. I love saying that, don't I? It just takes so much time. Everything seems to take so much time here. Whoa, hello. Someone's just done himself a nice wheelie. Oh, he's doing another one. He's happy. I don't know why he's happy. Last. I think Dad's having too much fun with this. He's enjoying popping a few wheelies, but he wants to get this scraped down as much as he can. It's probably why he kept doing them earlier. Look, big tree root there. He's probably getting stuck on that. So yeah, he's just tipping it up, putting all the soil back around on the land. The idea is he's not wasting it, then he can just spread it back on. Let's get a different angle of this, shall we? think we should move to some drone footage as well, maybe as well. Now he's working on pushing it with the bucket. So hopefully I've added some drone footage before this. It will be one of the first times I've done it. It's quite nice flying a drone. Admittedly, it must be hard trying to get the drone to doing that follow stuff when you're on your own. So he's just starting to push the tree as much as he can with his bucket. We're going to call it a bucket in a minute, so he's using it as a bucket. But as you can tell, them roots are in deep. He keeps changing his angles, it helps loosen it up. Good. Now what's he doing? Other than running me over? What are you doing? Sorry, you can tell me to mind out the way, but how am I supposed to record? Oh no. What are you doing? Anyone else lost? Oh, he couldn't reverse further enough back, so he had to change his angle. That was confusing. Oh, it's getting there. It's getting there. So that is part one. If you want to see things like this, it's building a chicken house. If you also want to see us finishing this off, I will give you a sneak peek now. So yeah, there's stuff being planted. You will get to see all this. This is all coming up in the channel. So if you want to see the tree stump actually coming out, then here's a sneak peek right now. So make sure you join us for part 2. It's coming out on Saturday, and you'll be able to see that tree stump that was there coming out. And throughout the channel you will see things like this being built, planting going on. We will get down to that, we'll show you it all of this being sorted out. So, yeah, right guys, so hope you enjoy this video. Keep your eye out for part 2 on Saturday. Give us a thumbs up if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys, and take care.